Hello everyone, welcome to Baguio City. Today we're gonna cook. Magluluto tayo ng what I call daddy meal, inihaw daddy meal. Here in our middle quarry. Ano, ang gulo ng anak ko. With our ihawan. With siling, labuyo, and kalamansi. Yan na.
Just one more.
Hello, eto na. Mantari. Oh no, nasusunog na. Madami pa tayo dito. Wait. Ilocano daddy meal. You can buy your Ray-Ban dito sa video. Sa official Ray-Ban shop. Let's eat mamaya. More blessings to all of us. Ang gusto ko dito, inaano ko hindi toyo pero bagoong with labuyo and kalamansi. Salt only to, salt only. Ito na, linagay ko na yung second batch of our Louis Corpus salt only daddy meal. Inihaw na country style na Monterey. So, ito. Mahaba tong country style na to, kaya lang hinati ko ng dalawa. Kasi maliit lang yung ating lutuan. So, habang nag-iihaw tayo, Ray-Ban, you can buy this from this video. So, yung isang channel ko is kickboxing, Muay Thai. So, jab, overhand, jumping knee. Simple striking you can do at home every day.
Let's go make some more smoke.
So here it is, our Filipino inihaw daddy meal. Malapit na.
Malapit. Then I will put it out right when it's done.
Yeah.
With water, I'm already prepared.
Yes, later first, true.
I'm just going to put some more water for later. To make it move out.
Okay, so ang sausawan natin is either Silver Swan soy sauce for this, at saka kalamansi and siling labuyo, or ito fish sauce.
Parang ang daming nalalaman niyo.
Oo nga. Fish sauce. Yan.
500?
250 ata, parang ganun. Ito rin, meron tayong pinikpikan. 250 tapos 150 ata yung bakal.
O kasi ano lang naman yan eh. Lipat lang naman yan.
Okay, ito na yung food natin. Dito ako sa taas kakain kasi babantayan ko yung anak ko. Isa. Family ko nasa baba. Yan. Hello, Ru. And let's eat. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. Daan maanghang. Fish sauce. Or bagoong. Oh, medyo matigas. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us.